As our children got older, we ended up picking up an RV a couple years ago and started getting out on trips with them so that we could get out and do more fun things, but not necessarily sleeping on the ground anymore. How I cook, though, came from years and years of backpacking and camping and always carrying the lightest gear possible. And so when we got that RV, it felt really weird to be able to have this kitchen, a kitchen the size of an apartment I could suddenly cook in. And I found I really didn't like that because what it made me feel like was I was at home, I wasn't camping. So I ended up embracing the boondocking style of cooking, where I don't have to worry about us having utilities. I'm still carrying a lot of the same gear I did when backpacking. So for now, I can cook all the food and cook fresh food as well. So cooking like steak strips and garlic fried rice, hey, it's a lot of fun. I'm outside next to the RV and I'm not setting off the smoke alarm because I got too much smoke pouring out. And I also feel connected to the outside. And I'm getting to be out there with the boys now from being teens, and we're cooking together. You can see in the video, one of my sons is actually stirring the rice and stirring the steak and moving it. So it's been a lot of fun for us to get out and try other methods of outdoor cooking, not just backpack orientated. So I'm going to be doing a lot more boondocking recipes in the near future. I hope that you enjoy them and come back and watch them.